Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Uplift account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video since the process is quite straightforward. So the first thing to do is to open a web browser. Once you do that, go to the search box at the top and type in uplift.com and search. You will then end up in the official website for Uplift, which looks like this. Go ahead and click on the sign in button at the top right corner. Doing so will take you to the sign in page where you'll need to click on the drop down and select your country code and enter your mobile number. After typing in your mobile number, click on sign in. On the next page, you will need to enter the verification code that you received via SMS and then enter your verification code in the text boxes and click login to access your Uplift account. Make sure you enter the correct phone number and your verification should be done, and then you will be able to access your Uplift Buy Now Pay Later account within a couple of minutes. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.